Hello, I would like to spend a few moments explaining the major activities in this course. To access these, I will go to the Modules button. Hopefully by now you've figured out that this course is based on a 6-step model of program design. And so what you will be doing is designing either an academic program or a training program during this semester. As you work through the 6 steps in this course, you will complete small activities with each step, but major activities as part of the course. You have 3 major activities: a narrative literature review assignment, a program video presentation, and your final written program. Let's take a look first at the narrative literature review. You're doing a literature review as part of this course because we are often asked to design programs, and unfortunately we tend to design programs based on what we think is needed, not what the peer-reviewed research says is needed. So in this course, you will be preparing a literature review where you use the peer-reviewed research to understand more about your targeted learner, about the topic, about your content knowledge, about the attitudes, behaviors, and skills necessary to be successful during that training or academic program, as well as the skills, attitudes, behaviors, and content knowledge necessary to be successful after program completion. And you'll find all of this through reviewing the peer-reviewed research. So you will spend a lot of time working with LR's online library. The literature review has several different segments to it. Here's the guidelines. You will have at least one strategy meeting with me to learn more about the literature review and to kind of see what your questions are. And then this will help you write it. This explains what belongs in the introduction, the body and conclusion, and this is where you will submit the assignment. Let's take a look at the guidelines. Again, everything is written out for you. This PowerPoint will explain what belongs in the narrative literature review, and I've actually provided some sample literature reviews here for you to look at as some ideas. But basically, if you follow this PowerPoint, you will include everything you need. I'm going to go back and take a look at the introduction. Again, I'm not going to read this to you, but it comes with a PowerPoint that explains exactly what will be in the introduction and how to set it up. The same thing goes for the body and the conclusion for your literature review. This literature review has to follow APA 7th edition guidelines, so make sure you pay attention to that. Let's look at your next major activity in this course, which will be a video. Once you've written your literature review, that will be time for you to prepare your video presentation. Again, I've provided guidelines. There is a forum here about how to craft a video, and then here is the link where you submit it. What belongs in the video presentation is the same information as what was in your literature review. It's just that this is done as a presentation to give you a chance to practice presenting your proposal to your supervisor. Forum number 7 will guide you through best practices in creating a video. Not death by PowerPoint, which is what many people are used to doing, but these are how to create professional videos. The final written program is your last major activity. And again, there's assignment guidelines and a place for you to submit the assignment. This takes you through every item that must appear in your final project. Again, this must be done according to APA 7th edition. You've already done a literature review. Your literature review will not be a part of this assignment. This is more presenting the actual curriculum, the program that you're going to do. And again, there are very specific guidelines as to what you must include. If at any time you have questions about these assignments, please feel free to contact the instructor and set up a video chat to share what you're working on or where you have questions. Thanks for watching.